Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline, your sugar baby. Alright guys, so for today's content po guys, we will be doing an unboxing. Yes, I ordered again guys at Shopee and let's see what's inside. In 3, 2, 1, let's intro first. Some items from Shopee for my van, and as you may see, I already uploaded those videos, and this one is another one guys. So let's see, let's open it. So it's bubble wrap guys. It's wrapped. Some windshield. Tama ba ito? Sabi ito? It's some windshield. And it's for our van, guys. So now, what are you waiting for, guys? Let's install this. Let's go. Alright, guys. So now, let's take this off. So, as I know, there's a little clip of there, and we pull it down. This until take off the first one. Let's take off the second one. This is the second one. So we need to change those wiper guys because it's already falling off guys. As you may see here and here, it's already fallen off. Although I don't know if we can change this. As I know we can change this guys, the rubber, but it's too hassle for me. So I ordered a new one. And this is the second one guys. This one is still, no, it's not okay now because it's already off guys. So now, let's open the new one. Let's start with the first one. There's a hole here and we just, some here. So the brand new one guys looks like this. As you may see here guys, we have this so we can wipe. And now, so let's install it guys. It's just easy. So let's put it like this. Let's enter it and hook it here guys. And we just need to hear the click sound like this. Okay. No. No. Like this. And now it's secure guys. So this is the first wiper made. And let's put the second one. Let's put it inside. Side. So second wiper. So still guys, here guys, the washer here for the water of the windshield is clogged. So let's try if it will work. I already do something with it, but it's still slow water. But let's see this time. So as you may see guys, the water is just until here and not here because like I said, it's clogged. So yeah, that's all guys. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again guys, thank you so much for watching and hope to see you on another video on my next episode. Love, love, love.